Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making the super cute and beginner friendly crochet scrunchie. So let's get started with the tutorial now. So before we start, here are the items you'll need. We will be needing a hair elastic, some medium weight yarn. Here I am using a nylon cord yarn. Okay, so for that I will be using a 2.5 mm crochet hook. So I will be making my scrunchies by using two colors of yarn. So I'm using this light pink color for my first round of my scrunchie. So here I'll just make a slip knot and then I'll secure the slip knot here like this, and I'll just pull up a yarn and pass through this. Okay, so this is now secure. My yarn is secured to my hair tie, and now I will make 60 single crochet for this round. So my scrunchie will be having a total of 3 rounds. Okay, so for first round I am making 60 single crochets. So we are almost there, and I'll be finishing off this round by doing a slip knot into the first single crochet of this round. Okay, so now we will be starting with round 2 for this scrunchie. So I'm changing color for this round. Again, I'm taking my nylon cord yarn and I'll just pull up a loop like this, and then I will chain 2 to build the height for this round. So okay, so for this round we will be doing 2 double crochets into one single stitch. Okay, so here I am doing 2 double crochets in one single stitch. So my chain 2 that I had done in the beginning will be acting as my first double crochet, and then accordingly I will be completing this round. So again, finishing off this round by doing a slip stitch. So here along with doing the slip stitch, I will be changing color also simultaneously, so that it's easier to change colors here. So for the round 3, I will be doing chain 1 to build a height, and then I will be doing 2 single crochets in 1 single stitch. Okay, so this pattern will be followed all along this round. And again, finishing off this final round by doing a slip stitch into the first single crochet of this round. And here our scrunchie is complete. So guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more crochet tutorials and creative projects. Until next time, happy crocheting!